Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka and today I'm going to be doing the tutorial of this look. It's a very soft peachy pink look and it'll go perfectly well with any of your Valentine's Day outfits. It'll go well with reds, peaches, pinks, and it'll go well with white and black as well. This will be a very natural look and it's very easy to do as well. I've used concealer and a little bit of BB cream and this really gorgeous peachy orangey eyeshadow. I added some dainty accessories and this is how it turned out. I hope you like it and please keep on watching to find out how I got this look. I will be using the Kiss Beauty highlighter and contour kit. I'll be using the orangey shade to cover all my dark spots and I'll be using this on top of that. So I'm first going with the orangey shade. Just dab it on my darker spots which I want to cover. I'm going to use a little bit under my eyes as well. I'm just going to blend it all. Now I'm going to go with the lighter shade of the concealer on top of the orange shade. I'm not using foundation because I'm going for a very lighter look and I wouldn't want it to actually look like a lot of makeup. So I'm using the Garnier BB cream and you can go with Pond's or any other BB cream that you would like or matches your skin tone better. I feel like Garnier BB cream matches my skin tone perfectly well. I'm just gonna top it off with one more layer of BB cream to get a better coverage. And now that I've blended all the BB cream, I'm gonna let it sit for a couple of seconds so before I set it with a powder foundation. And this gives a pretty good coverage as it is and I feel like you wouldn't need to use foundation all the time. And today I'm going to go with the Miss Claire powder foundation. I'm almost hitting the pan. And this is a pretty good coverage foundation and just by itself also it's a very good coverage. I'm using the puff today but it applies really well with the brush. Now that I've set my face, I'm just going to go with a little bit of bronzer so that everything doesn't look very flat. I'm just gonna go with this bronzy shade. I'm just gonna slightly take it under my cheekbone. Now I'm gonna start off with the eye makeup. I'm going with the nudetude palette here from the Balm Cosmetics and I'm taking this maroonish shade. It's called Sexy and I'm just gonna take a little bit of that shade and create a depth. This is the Loreal Infallible Paint Ombre Eyeshadow and I'm going to take the darker shade of this. This is called Sunset Fire and it is such a gorgeous shade. This will be a very good one for a day to night look. So I'm going to take a little bit, just dab it here and there on my eyelid, both my eyelids. And with my hands I'm just going to smudge it. I'm just gonna take a little bit on this eye. Actually, this is just pretty much enough. If you're outside, this is just enough. But in the video, I don't think it shows up unless you add a little too much. So I'm just gonna take a little bit more so that you can exactly see the color. And then I'm going to take the other shade which is a very light peach shade and it's such a beautiful color. I'm just going to top it off and mainly in the ends. Again with my finger I'm just going to blend it. I'm almost done with my eyes. I just cleaned up the sides wherever a little bit shimmer had spilled. I'm gonna take the brown shade here. I'm just gonna take a little bit of it and fill in my eyebrows. It works perfectly well because it's a nice dark brown and I wouldn't have to like go overboard. I lightly did my eyebrows, I didn't do much. And with the same shade, I'm gonna take it a little above my eye as well because I wouldn't want the orange to look overboard. So I added a little bit of brown on top of my eyes so that it doesn't look just plain orange, and it gives it that effect that you have a little bit of like eyeliner. I'm gonna take this bronzy shade called Silly, and you'll actually find this sort of bronzy shade in a lot of eyeshadow palettes. I'm gonna take a little bit of it and add on top of the brown one that is just above my eyelid, so that it gives that little smoky effect as if I have a little bit of kajal. At the same time, it's not jet black. And I'm just gonna smoke out the ends as well. You can use any mascara. I just feel like I've been using Maybelline Lash Sensational a lot in every other video. I'm gonna take the Benefit Roller Lash, and I've been absolutely loving it, and it gives like a really nice full volume. As you can see, it's like a very beautiful mascara, and Lash Sensation is pretty good too. And then I'm gonna take the blush from Essence, and it's a very peachy blush and it looks perfect. It gives a very natural flush. And then for highlighter, I'm gonna take this from Odbo. It's a very beautiful shades. It has this orange, pink and everything. I'm just gonna add a little bit on my cheekbone. I'm gonna set my face so that there's a little, not too much shimmer around. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of lip balm before I go with my lipstick. And then finally, to set my face, I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Setting Spray, and I'm going to set my face with this so that everything stays in place even if you're out all day long. I'm just gonna leave it on and let it dry, and in the meantime I've taken this Vaseline lip balm and prepped my lips, and then now I'm gonna take the NYX Butter lipstick in the shade Beach Barbecue. It's a very beautiful peachy pink. I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild Purty Persimmon, and this is a very beautiful red, and it's a very blue toned red, and I'm just gonna add a little bit. You can obviously go for a liquid lipstick or any other lipstick, but I just wanted it to be a very light lipstick, and it almost looks like a tinted lip balm, and it goes really well with the eye makeup and my outfit. It's a very beautiful peachy pink makeup, and it'll go perfectly well with any of your red outfits or any peach, pink. You can wear it with black or white as well. I think this is a perfect look for any outfit that has to do with Valentine's Day. I'm just gonna add some accessories and finish it off. So this is the completed look. I hope you like this look. It's a very soft, easy breezy look. It has a little bit of pink tones to it to add that natural blush. So I'll mention all the products in the description box. Do not forget to check that out, and I hope you like this video, and do give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like the video. And also I do a lot of fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos, so make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any videos, and also find me on all my social media handles so that we can stay in touch. And that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.